I purchased the cheapest Sony lens on Amazon, the Huaban 35mm f1.7. Hello beautiful people, thanks for visiting my channel Paradise Biz, my name is Dirk. When this lens arrived it was full of surprises, and the first surprise when opening the box, I saw it was not a Huaban lens. It was a Brightin 35mm f1.7 that actually sold on Amazon for $20 more. Taking it out of the box, it looked really well built. It has an aluminum body, but the first thing I noticed when attaching it to my camera that it was a little bit off-centered. The scale was supposed to be on top in the middle, but it's a bit tilt to the right. Well, I can work around this. I always keep the price in mind, and I paid only $31 plus taxes. We do have a stepless aperture ring, and it goes very soft. It barely has any resistance, and that's a bit too soft for my taste. The focus ring was also something that I've never experienced on any other lens before. Do you know the feeling when you're driving an old car and when you want to turn the steering wheel there is some wiggle room before you feel the resistance of the wheels? Well, it's pretty much the same thing on the focus ring. There is some wiggle room before you actually start focusing, and that makes it so easy to overshoot on your target, and then you have to go back to try to nail the focus. Surprisingly, I nailed the focus on all the images I took. And the next surprise, already at f1.7, the center sharpness was really good. And already at f2.8 the center sharpness reached perfection, something I did not see coming from a lens in this price range. The corners remain rather soft and keep gradually improving as we step it up in aperture. And yes, as you can see in this picture we do have CAs, but the chromatic aberrations are less than I expected. And again, this is the sharpness at f1.7. I really like it. The next pleasant surprise was to see that we have barely any distortions, and the vignetting behavior of this lens was normal. So you have to stop it down to f4, f5.6 in order to get rid of all the vignetting. You can actually create nice out of focus images with a very smooth bokeh. At night we can't deny the presence of lens flare and some chroma lights, but that's what we expect when purchasing a budget lens. And I've actually seen way worse. Does the Huaban or Brightin 35mm f1.7 have the perfect contrast? No. Can it be resolved in post? Absolutely. To get this sharpness already at f1.7 on a budget lens was very refreshing. It appears that Huaban doesn't have their own lineup of lenses, they're purchasing from third parties, but I can't make this a Brightin review because I don't know if Brightin only sells the lenses to others that don't pass their QC. I don't know if all the Brightin lenses have this off-centered scale and have a little bit of focus ring issues, or if this is really just a third-party thing. Despite those facts and given the price, I can actually recommend this lens, something I did not see coming. Now in the meantime, they have upped the price already a little bit on Amazon. It costs now about $45, which is still cheaper than the original Brightin lens. That costs around $54. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I will definitely respond. And you know, a free way to support my channel is to leave a like. And if you like my channel overall, next Sunday I'll have a new video for you. Till then, stay safe, take care, and bye for now.